Gorgeous, right? There is something so therapeutic about the weight of articulate turning into a piece of art. Today I am showing you exactly how to craft these layered terracotta jhumkas from scratch. But first, I will be honest, a few days ago I really didn't think I would be posting anything until next month. Life decided to hit me with everything all at once. The chaos of shifting houses, a stubborn bout of sickness, and the pressure of upcoming exams. I had actually posted that I was taking a break and I truly intend. But then I started reading your comments and messages. The amount of love and support you guys show me is honestly overwhelming. I realized that this isn't just a hobby anymore, it's a responsibility I have to this amazing community. So despite the packed boxes and the textbooks, I am here because creating for you guys is exactly the energy boost I needed. Let's get into it. First things first, we need to prep our clay. Knead it well to get rid of any air bubbles. If your clay is too dry, it will crack. If it's too wet, it won't hold the shape. Once it's ready, we need 3 different sizes: big, medium and small. You will need 1 pair of each. Roll this into small balls. Now for the shaping, watch my hands closely. I use 3 fingers to press and rotate, hollowing out the center while keeping the walls even to create the perfect dome. Don't rush this. If the edges look a bit ragged, just dip your finger in a tiny bit of water and smooth it out. Now for my favorite part, the carving. Since we have 3 layers, we can give each one its own character. I am doing deep notches on the top. Clean ridges in the middle. And a more intricate geometric pattern on the bottom layer. The contrast between the smooth clay and these deep edges is what makes terracotta jewelry so special. While the clay is still leather hard, we are going to attach our U-pins. I am inserting them and attaching each piece together just the way you see here. Make sure they are secure and aligned so they hang perfectly straight. And there they are. Even before the firing and printing, you can see how elegant the 3-layer jhumka is. Thank you for being the reason I picked up my tools today. If you enjoyed this tutorial or just want to send some good vibes, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see how this looks once they are finished. I will see you on the next one.